Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best car mirror is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any vehicle owner, offering enhanced visibility and safety on the road, whether you're navigating busy city streets, cruising on the highway, or maneuvering into tight parking spots, ensuring you have a clear and comprehensive view of your surroundings at all times, which is crucial for preventing accidents and making confident driving decisions. Number 5. Ampere 2 Round HD Glass Blind Spot Mirror, 2-pack. Introducing the Ampere Blind Spot Mirror, designed to maximize your view with a wide-angle, HD glass design. These frameless mirrors offer a clear, expansive perspective for safer driving. Installation is a breeze with our adjustable swivel mounting bracket. Simply clean your original mirror, press firmly, and enjoy a secure fit that prevents them from falling off. Crafted with durable HD glass, these mirrors are built to last. Their waterproof and rust-resistant design ensures they won't haze over, providing reliable performance in any condition. The flexible convex shape is key to forecasting your surroundings. Effortlessly predict what's next when passing or changing lanes, giving you added confidence on the road. These universal fit accessories are a must-have for every car, truck, SUV, RV, and van. Enhance safety and visibility in seconds with this essential driving upgrade. What we like. If you're looking to maximize your view with a wide angle, this is a great option. Its flexible convex shape helps you forecast your surroundings when changing lanes. This is a must-have for every truck, car, SUV, RV, and van. What people say. They don't distort or vibrate at all when driving. Very easy to adjust. Great little mirrors for revealing that little spot that always gets us into trouble. Small, clean, easy to adhere, and functional. These Ampere 2-inch blind spot mirrors do the job they're meant for. They give a wider field of view and help with seeing cars in adjacent lanes. Number 4. Verivue 12-inch Panoramic Rear View Mirror. Introducing the Verivue 12-inch Panoramic Rear View Mirror. It offers an enhanced wide-angle view, eliminating blind spots for a safer drive. Our anti-glare technology ensures a comfortable journey, day or night. It minimizes distracting glare, providing a clear view at all times. This versatile accessory is universally compatible, fitting most cars, SUVs, and trucks. Improve your visibility no matter what you drive. Perfect for monitoring your little ones in rear-facing car seats. It provides a clear view of your baby, giving you peace of mind on every trip. Crafted from premium, durable materials, it's built to last. Installation is a breeze, clipping securely onto your existing mirror in seconds without any tools. What we like. For parents with rear-facing car seats, this mirror is ideal. It provides a clear panoramic view of your baby, enhancing safety and peace of mind. Its anti-glare technology also ensures a comfortable journey day and night. What people say. The mirror is very clear and provides a wide field of view, making it easy to see the entire back seat. Installation was a breeze, took less than 5 minutes to attach securely to the existing rear-view mirror. The anti-glare feature works exceptionally well, even during nighttime driving with bright headlights behind me. Number 3. Shynerk Baby Car Mirror. Introducing the Shynerk Baby Car Mirror, designed for your baby's safety. It provides a clear view of your infant while you drive. Installation is a breeze. This mirror attaches securely to the rear seat headrest in just seconds, no tools required. Enjoy a full view of your precious infant and the surroundings. The extra-large, wide-angle convex mirror ensures you never miss a moment. With 360-degree rotation, you can easily adjust it for the perfect viewing angle. It's compatible with most vehicles, fitting any headrest. Your baby's safety is paramount. This mirror is made with shatterproof acrylic safety glass, ensuring peace of mind even in unexpected situations. This versatile mirror fits all vehicle types, including cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs. It's designed for effortless use and fits any back seat. What we like. If you prioritize safety for your infant, this mirror is designed for you. Its shatterproof construction ensures your baby's safety in case of an accident. The wide-angle convex mirror and 360-degree rotation provide a clear view of your precious infant and surroundings. What people say. The mirror is very clear and provides a wide field of vision, making it easy to see what's behind me. It was easy to install and adjust, and it stays in place without shaking. The anti-glare feature works well, reducing the harshness of headlights at night. Number 2. JOYTUTUS 11.81-inch panoramic rear view mirror. Experience a significantly wider field of vision with this mirror. It effectively eliminates blind spots, making your driving and reversing much safer. Keep an eye on your child in the back seat with perfect clarity. This allows you to drive with greater peace of mind. Designed to fit most cars, SUVs, vans, and trucks, this mirror offers a broader view than standard ones. Its clip-on design ensures easy installation. Enjoy high-definition glass that provides clear and true images. Say goodbye to distorted or overlapped views. Installing this mirror is incredibly easy. Simply clip it onto your existing rear-view mirror and adjust the angle in just a few seconds. We ensure your mirror arrives safely. It's packaged with protective materials and a secure inner shelf, designed to withstand drops. What we like. If you need to reduce blind spots effectively and get a clearer view of vehicles behind you, this mirror is a strong contender. Its 11.81-inch size offers a wider field of view than most. This makes reversing safer and allows you to monitor your child in the back seat with ease. What people say. Very wide view. Makes a big difference driving a small pickup truck. You can see much more of your surroundings. The wide angle helps me see in blind spots as well as my daughter in the back seat with just a glance. It was so easy to install and doesn't seem to rattle around, it fits great. You can see a lot more behind you and into the other lanes compared to a normal mirror. It also feels well made and durable. It fits securely over my mirror and feels very solid once it's on. Number 1. WOLFBOX G840S12 4K Mirror Dash Cam. See the road like never before with upgraded 4K UHD clarity on the front camera and a 1080p rear camera. The expansive 12-inch display offers a significantly wider view, helping you eliminate blind spots and drive with greater confidence. Stay connected and informed with built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS tracking. Easily connect to our app for real-time viewing, recording playback, and instant video sharing, all while tracking your journeys. Enjoy an exceptionally broad field of vision with 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear lenses. The smart split-screen function lets you monitor both cameras simultaneously, ensuring you never miss a thing, whether driving or reversing. Drive with clarity, day or night. Its advanced low reflectivity screen, WDR and HDR technology, and professional-grade sensor deliver exceptional image quality even in challenging lighting conditions. Keep your vehicle protected even when parked. The 24-hour parking monitor, with an optional time-lapse mode, provides continuous surveillance, giving you peace of mind. We stand behind our product with attentive customer service and a 12-month guarantee. Enjoy consistent performance and reliable support for your peace of mind. What we like. For the tech-savvy driver who wants comprehensive safety and recording features, this mirror dash cam is the ultimate choice. It offers stunning 4K clarity, real-time GPS tracking, and a large 12-inch display that significantly reduces blind spots. If you want advanced features like dual cameras, superior night vision, and 24-hour parking monitoring, this is the one. What people say. The 12-view display is very sharp and clear, the wide-angle lenses show everything and more, the GPS is accurate, and the rear-facing camera works very well, especially if you hook up the wire to the backup light so the unit displays the adjustable backup lines. Very useful in parking lots. Excellent video playback, clear and visible, not grainy at all. Really easy to use. Has a few different settings. For my child I put on the speed alerts, that kept them aware, especially since a lot of the roads are average speed near us. Can be hardwired for continuous recording. This is the best dash cams I've owned. The quality of the video and ease of use is pretty darn good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.